Hey guys, it's Samantha. I'm here to share with you some of the wonderful books we have for early readers. So let's get started. This is Usborne Very First Reading Set. This set comes with 15 books. Each book goes up a level when the kid is learning, or for the child learning to read. Oh, they're a little bit out of order. My 5-year-old is loving reading these books right now. We've read them all because she loves them, but she herself is able to read 1 and 2 so far. So I will just show you book 1 is Pirate Pat. Also, it comes with a little parent instruction book, guidebook, which is really nice, especially when you have not taught a child to read before. So this one's Pirate Pat. This top part up here is for the parent, and then the bottom part is for the child to read. The night was cold, the sky was black, the window rattled, tap, tap, tap. There's someone there, I'm sure of it. Sam, do stop barking. Sit, Sam, sit. Okay, and then in the back of each book, let me get there just a second. It has little puzzles that the kids can do. So if they're memorizing the words in the book, because they've read it a few times, this kind of can trick them a little bit more, help them practice a little bit. Not trick them, it can help them practice more to make sure that they're reading the words. Okay, so this very first reading set. And we also we just got this for Christmas, and tonight we just read it, and my kids love it. They wanted me to read the whole entire book actually before they went to bed. So we got through almost all the stories. So this is the Usborne Book of Fairy Tales. This is actually called what we call a dual reader. We also have the Bible stories, train stories, and princess stories in this type. It's a nice padded cover. So how these dual readers work is actually quite fun. Oh, you can see all the different, with Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Little Red Riding Hood, Three Little Pigs, Rumpelstiltskin, and Goldilocks in this particular book. Okay, so you have the top part here is much more simple text, and then the bottom part is is a little bit more complex. So the child, if the child was to read just the top part of the text, the entire book would make sense. So, but together, what makes this fun is that you can read this with your child, and they can read the top part, and then you can read the bottom part just to make the story a little bit more full. Also has really nice illustrations as well, fun illustrations. Reading books like this helps to actually build their confidence, develops their confidence. Okay, so simple text on the top, a little more complex on the bottom. That is Fairy Tales. Then we have so many fun phonics readers for kids. We have collections, and we have individual books. This one here, this is a newer release, but this is Llamas in Pajamas. We like this book a lot. These stories, the phonics readers are funny, the kids will love them, and they're learning at the same time about phonics. Sam, Allie, and Charlie all yell with delight. There's a creepy sleepover at Frankie's tonight. And just fun illustrations. There's their sleepover, having fun, telling scary stories. Okay, so that is Llamas in Pajamas. Again, we have tons of those. This is one of our phonics reader collections. This is one of the classics. This book actually also comes, with a CD, with a narrative of the whole book. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of the phonics readers in one. And it still has like the standalone phonics readers like this. They're going to be the same size that you can get these stories in. And the pages still flip out just like the standalone, which is quite fun. We have Pig on a Dig, Hen with Pens. All that folds out. Hungry Fox spots a box. Hungry Fox hops on box. He tries to reach. It's a nice hardcover book, lots of stories for your kids to help them learn to read. And now Cow Takes a Bow. These are some of our, this is another collection. This is some more of our more recent ones. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 8 books in it. So you can see here which ones. And again, funny stories, funny, great illustrations. And at the beginning it talks about phonics. So you can kind of get an idea. Okay, I hope you're able to find some books for your early readers.